Hello! In this video, I will show you how to make an account in Turnitin.com and how to submit a paper. So first, you will need to go to Safari and go to Turnitin.com. You don't want to use the app. You're going to want to do this in the actual website, Turnitin.com. Once you get to Turnitin.com, you're going to go in the upper right-hand corner where it says Create Account. You're going to click this to begin creating your account. You're going to get a site that looks like this. Although it is tempting to add your information where it says email address and password, you're not. You're actually going to go down here where it says create a new account. You're a student, so you're going to select student. Now, to create an account, you're going to need a class ID. This number is given to you from your teacher. You need to use the number that your teacher gives you. You're also going to need an enrollment password. That is also from your teacher. Once you have your enrollment password, you're also going to need to add your first and your last name. You're going to keep the next option exactly the way it is. Your name, first name, and then last name. The next thing you need to add is your email address. You want to make sure you use your school email address. That is your student ID number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at verona.k12.wi.us. Make sure you have this done correctly. Now, in your password, you're going to make sure that you use your school password and the letter 1. So, for example, if your school password is ABCDE, you're going to also add the number 1. Everyone must follow this directions. So your email address is your school email address with your student ID number, and then your password is your regular school password with the number 1. Next, you have to choose a secret question. The one that you need to do is, what is your library card number? Now, you might not actually have a library card number, so you're going to enter your student ID. And we need to make sure that you choose what is your ID card or your library card number, and you enter your student ID. This is a way that if you forget your password or you forget your email address, your teacher knows how to help you. Then you're going to scroll through all of their terms and conditions. When you've read them and understood what's going on, you're going to click Agree and Create Profile. You will now see a screen that looks like this. There are lots of things to help you. First of all, you can go to the upper tab and learn more about plagiarism. You can also go to the tab next to it and learn more about citing your sources. To submit an assignment, you're going to select the name of the class. In this picture, it is English 9-1. It might be English 9-2 or 4, or maybe your teacher named it something a little bit different. But you're going to select the name that logically is for this class. Once you've selected the class, the next thing is to select the assignment. When you open this up, there's probably only going to be one assignment. It will probably be like To Kill a Mockingbird essay. So here you can see all of the due dates. The post date is when your teacher will give you the grade. Here is where you can find the rubric. So if you click on the little squares, you will find the rubric. To submit the assignment, however, you're going to select the Submit button. When you click the Submit button, you're going to get the Upload menu. You want to keep it where it says Single File Upload. Here, you will put your name. Submission title is the name of the essay. You might just say TKAM essay. It really truly doesn't matter. Then you're going to choose from Google Drive. You will get a Google menu that looks like this. If you have recently used your essay, it will probably be right at the beginning. If not, you can always search using this menu. Once you have found it, select it by clicking, and then click Select. You will have known that your essay is attached if instead of the Google menu, you now see the Google icon with the name of your essay. When you are ready, you can click the Upload button in the bottom left-hand corner. You are knowing if it is uploading if you see the spinning wheel here. When it is done, the wheel will stop and the Confirm button will light up and you will be able to click it. When it is ready, you can click Confirm. You are still not done. Do not stop here. You will be able to look at what your essay will look like. You'll be able to get some details like how many pages or the word count. When things look good to you, click Confirm. You will know your assignment was submitted when you see this green box that says Complete. So unless you see this green box, you're not actually done. Once you click OK, you'll go back to the assignment menu and you will now see something that says Processing. When it is done processing, you will now get a number that says the percentage of your plagiarism. More likely than not, you have accidental plagiarism, in which the sentences are similar to those in the book. Maybe you made a mistake while citing your sources. If you have questions, please talk to your teacher. You also know if your assignment has been accepted when you uploaded it if you see the Resubmit button instead of a Submit button. If you have any questions, make sure you talk to your teacher as they can help you with this process. Thank you.